So here is how we can reset the iPad layout. Let me talk about it quickly. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you have your home screen and the apps are organized exactly as you want it or exactly as you set it up. But if you want to reset it, you're going to check out the settings app, click on the general section, and at the bottom of the page we have the transfer or reset iPad. So you're going to click on it and you're not gonna erase all content, but I want you to click on the reset button and so many different things which you can reset in here. One of them is the home screen layout, literally. So you can click that and your iPad will go back to the original mode, right? So those apps which would, and the organization as well of apps is going to appear as if you just opened the iPad fresh out of the box, and that is how it's going to look. So that is probably what you wanted to achieve. So let me know if you managed to find it and do it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.